So by default, whenever you go ahead and add in elements onto your page, there is a default space. But if you want to go ahead and increase out the space, then you can click on add a section right here, and you can see that spacer is an option. Once you click on the spacer, you can see that there's a little bit of space right here, hence the name spacer. You can go around over here, move the spacer up and down as well, just like this. And apart from that, you can click on this gear icon right here and set the height of the spacer as well. For example, I can go ahead and let's say, for example, make it 50 pixels right here. Or you can go around over here and make it 100 pixels just like this as well. Apart from that, you can go to edit background and then go ahead and apply a background color to this as you want as well. Or you can go around onto image, click on add an image, and then upload out an image or select an image from the stock that you have and add that image as the background for the spacer as well. And that is how you can go ahead and add in spacer inside of Microsoft Power Pages. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.